What's up, guys? It's Deet. Just wanted to come in, give you the update. My cousin dropped off the engine hoist for me to use and got a leveler. It's already hooked up now, ready to come out. All I gotta do is find the time. Alright guys, so here's your view from under the RX-7 whilst I attempt to use my pretty new power tools and take off some bolts. Alright guys, so as you can tell from the time lapses that you've seen earlier, we are nearly ready. We got everything out. Everything is unbolted. Trans mounts are unbolted. We got to take a couple lines that we forgot, and it's ready to come out.
Might be hoses or something over there, but we'll find out. The side looks good.
Looks alright over here, just a couple wires. Just remember that jack stand isn't up by the front wheel anymore.
Yeah, I know, Mom. I know, Mommy. Let me get this fucked out. Well, it's there, so keep coming this way. No, this is kind of the hard part. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I can't, your leg's in the way.
Huh? Oh. My bad. Move it, fat ass! Do you have your whole linkage and shit out too?
Huh?
Do you have your linkage and shit out too?
I got everything.
Alright. Never mind, because it's starting to hang up in your training tunnel. I'm trying to photo bomb your video, but keep trying to jack it up.
I'm just trying to see.
Actually, it needs pulled out more now. Probably.
Oh, but this one sensor. 2 sensors that need to come off.
But we can pull it out a little bit, be able to get to it easier.
That's the panel. The wheel panel.
This is a lot of faith in a fucking tranny or in a motor jack. Does it look like it's sticking or?
Yeah, it's coming out. Everything's cool. It's good.
Like you have your shifter disconnected.
Yeah,
right?
everything's disconnected. It's clean. It's coming out right now.
I didn't know if you left the shifter connected and shit.
I still need to come up higher.
Hi-yo. Crikey! We got a wild burrito here! Right, a wild burrito. Burrito noises, burrito noises, burrito noises.
I'm gonna spin it and level it.
I want to grab these things off, because if we grab these things off, we can just proceed to pulling the rest of it out. Okay, now. Speed sensor.
Alright, boys. As you can see, the Rotary is now free from the vehicle. Hell yeah. Alright guys, got a lot of work done today. We got the engine completely removed from the car today. It was a lot of work, but it wasn't actually too bad. It was pretty fun. Now I'm going to start cleaning up the engine bay. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time.